Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, guys, today we're going to be using this vase. Okay, and this I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a new shape. Okay, it's hard to find, but I got one of those. Uh, this stand that we'll be placing it on, I also got from the Dollar Tree. We will be using the rose mesh. I purchased this on Amazon in the silver. And we have our E6000 that I got at the Walmart. We have the Mod Podge. We have some black glitter. We are going to bling this out. That is what the project is for today. So I have the rose mesh pieces here already cut out. So let's start decorating the vase first. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start putting, I cut out these strips in different lengths. And I am going to go from the top of the vase down to the bottom. We'll start out with the long one. So that's the first strip, guys. Isn't that pretty? I'm loving that rose mesh. I gotta order some more in different colors. Okay, so we have the two longer pieces on. Okay, see that? Isn't that beautiful, guys? That rose mesh is, I'm just in love with that right now too. I love decorating with it. Okay, now in between each one of these spaces here, I'm gonna put the small ones. So I believe I have enough. So we went the two long ones that came from the top to the bottom. I think those were 10. Then these were 7. So now the next ones are going to be rows, and the rows of 4 are going to go in between those strips. Okay, guys. So this is what we have so far. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So now what I decided to do is along this bottom half over here, I wanted to use the black glitter. And just so I show you this, I got this black glitter over at the Walmart. Okay, so it's just going to be along this bottom part of the rim. I do have to work in sections because of the 2 strips that go all the way along the bottom, so that's okay. Then we come on this side, and then let me put some more Mod Podge. I didn't want to go too heavy on the Mod Podge because I am going to have to go back in and reseal that glitter. So this is what we have so far, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna place this over here on the side so I can put that rest of that excess glitter back in here, because we do have to do that twice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some Mod Podge on this sponge again. Now I am gonna go back and do the glitter twice. And we are going to sprinkle this again with the black glitter. It's almost like giving it 2 layers, 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of glitter. So look at that, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I'm absolutely loving that. I think it's stunning. I think it's just, it's breathtaking. The camera doesn't do it any justice, guys. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleared everything off. I'm just gonna wipe the surface here because we're gonna be putting glue on this. And I'm gonna use the E6000 for this because I want this to be a permanent stick. Now I do know from placing that vase on top of here that it does take up the whole top of this rim here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the E6000 on top of that, and then we'll place the vase right on top. It's always easier, guys, to work in small sections. Okay, so now that we got the E6000 on that, I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to stick the vase right on there. Okay, guys, I believe I got that set right. This is going to have to sit for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure it's straight because it doesn't sit right inside of the candle holder. Okay, guys, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I don't want to move it around too much, but it's absolutely stunning. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like and share. I will see you in the next video. Bye.